Good morning.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle.
I'm not.
We're just wondering, and we thought we'd bring you along with a Sunday spent on a boat.
And not on a boat.
And not on a boat.
So,
let's go. So the first thing I do on a Sunday is get up and realise that I need to do lots of cleaning.
why do you need to do lots of cleaning? The boat.
Like, as in last night's bits and pieces just need to go because a small space gets super busy, super
messy, super
messy, super quick. So I'm gonna go do that. This is what we're doing, and then we've got dogs, we've got, what's his name?
Gary.
We brought yesterday. And just 2 minutes ago.
And those crisps.
That we haven't put away. So I'm gonna quickly tidy all that. Now the kitchen is somewhat clean. I'm gonna go jump in the shower. See you after. Out the shower, ready for the day. Let's get a cup of tea and hot chocolate, I think. Do you want one? He's been lazy. Cup of tea and hot chocolate.
So.
Sometimes on a Sunday, we all get on the roof, enjoy a drink.
Sometimes we do it on Saturday as well.
Sometimes we do it every day of the week. No, but we have a hot chocolate and we watch all the fishies because the water is super clear at the minute.
Quite a lot of weeds at the moment.
Try and show you, but you might not be able to see. Let's have a look. I did just think I was about to fall off the boat backwards, so I may have chucked my hot chocolate into the water and over the boat. Cheers, fishies. Cheers, Jimmy. Finish the drinks. What's it time for now?
Walk this little guy.
Walk this little guy. I'll go to the toilet. And then I think we're going to go outdoors, aren't we?
World's best shop.
World's best shop. Go outdoors.
I'm buying our first backpack for
Scafell.
for where?
Scafell.
Scafell Pike. In a few weeks. Yeah.
So you're looking for
Trousers.
trousers to walk Scafell as well.
Yes, please. Oh, these are open.
Trying some on.
Yes.
Yes. I'm not sure that works.
There's a little zip.
They look nice.
Did you find anything? Option number 2.
Is that the other one?
Sorry?
The other ones?
Yeah, I do, but these are like way more flexible.
Which ones did you prefer?
These ones are more comfortable. I'm going to need a hand putting the leg back on. I feel like if I went for the ones that you can remove legs, I'd keep forgetting my legs. So I've just been whistled. So back on the road, heading for the dog park. Relates. Sorry, I didn't know this relates. We'll spend longer in rides also we thought. And yeah. Transition.
So we have just arrived at Paws in the Park with all our friends, so the dogs can go off the lead.
Alec, why are you upside down, dude?
Get off my lawn, you bastard.
So we've just come back from the dog walking field and it's boiling, so we're going to go take a dip in the River Trent by us. We're all strong swimmers, we all know how to stay safe. Don't do it if you can't swim because it's dangerous. But we're just getting ready, gonna leave now, go meet our friends and paddle.
Literally 2 seconds of the boat, and
Back in the car.
very busy day today because our friends have just got back from holiday, so we're going to see them now to do a little bit of swimming in the river.
Disclaimer.
Don't do it if you're going to drown.
Don't drown.
Let's hope we don't drown. Let's hope this video continues. If this video doesn't continue, you won't have seen it anyway.
That's not
But
the point. Don't go in the water if you can't swim. Don't go in really water because you can be pulled under. Be careful. We are strong-ish swimmers.
yeah.
I've got bodyguards. So I'll be alright. And just be careful. But yeah, go and have fun. So we're going to the train and go for a swim, aren't we?
Yes.
Let's go.
These are a step above.
Are they the same colour? Wow.
Oh, actually, you know, see, I'm not motorist.
I mean, I felt like I looked like a dickhead, but I'm glad he's got them shoes on, so I'll feel a little bit better.
$4.99 from Aldi. They were free, but I would have paid for it from Aldi.
You'd have actually paid for it.
Mate,
Apologies, I went the wrong way. Who? I went the wrong way.
We are swimming.
Which one? We are going to do it. We're just going to do it.
Yeah, now we can go back.
Now we can go back.
This way then, you. Come on.
Aldi special.
Annabelle. That wasn't the thing I was thinking of. Been swimming.
With our friends. We're going to go to walk back to the car and go for a drink.
Then I've got to get back. Not a bother. Not a bother.
Just outside.
Milk chocolate cookie dough.
Yakinori. Sweet yakinori.
Hidden away.
Just.
How is it?
What?
So, you can't see me. We've just got back to the boat after a very hectic fun day with all our friends. So I'm just going to actually edit this right now and get it uploaded for this evening, so you'll see exactly what we did today on a Sunday, living in a narrowboat and seeing all our friends. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.